again to my channel. This is your Ate G again. So, okay guys, trinay ko lang naman ito na kantahin. So, just listen to this guys. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, honey, when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I love again. You said a lot turns to gold. There's something in your eyes that my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I love again. It was just in this game, but when I finally came, I should like to find that we were wherever you are. I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I'm in love again, after a long, long while, I love again. Ano, nagustuhan niyo po yung kanta? Hindi ko masyado kabisado siya. So, guys, sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe sa akin, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share po this video of mine. So, okay guys, see you again on my next content. Okay guys, this is your Ate G again. Bye! Thank you for watching and God bless you everyone. I love you all.